I now give the floor to Mr. Lygeros, and I invite him to take a seat at the petitioner's table, and I invite Mr. Besnard to withdraw.
Monsieur le Président, la marocanité du Sahara est un fait indiscutable et largement
This is largely accepted by the international community, as seen by the opening of 19 consulates, as with more than 90 countries with the initiative of sovereignty of Morocco is the only settlement to our regional dispute. I'm also pleased with the support of a number of countries to the initiative of autonomy expressed during the ministerial level conference of the coalition against Daesh held in Marrakesh last May. Most of these developments are based on historical laws of Morocco on the Sahara and the dynamic of the region on the ground, specifically implementation of a new development model for the southern provinces with a budget of $8 billion. In parallel to that, most members of the United Nations recognize and support the political process of the United Nations as the only means to find a definitive political solution to the dispute in the Sahara. I'd like to underscore here that ours is just a result of the geopolitical plays of the host country for the Tindouf camp. There's no territory, no government, no territory, no people, whereas the Moroccan Sahara people actively participate in running their lives. They also participate in the work of the Committee of the 24 at official invitation of the chair of this committee. The Polisario, however, has no standing or legitimacy. It is installed and maintained by the host country of the Tindouf camps, where we see the worst abuses of human rights. This situation is dramatic and requires urgent action by the United Nations and its specialized agencies to bring the host country to respect its obligations under international humanitarian law. The international consensus is growing around the Sahara and the referendum and the Security Council's involvement to seek a settlement to the dispute. Only the Polisario and the host country of the Polisario continue to believe in the separatist movement. They have closed themselves in a strategy of running ahead constantly. Only the host country has expressed its opposition to the initiative of autonomy. The obstinacy of the host country to work with a political process to definitively settle the dispute of Moroccan Sahara takes hostage the people and put them in the Tindouf camps. This is against humanity. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.